Alright, scrappers and scrapettes, as you see, Sunday afternoon turned out to be a beautiful afternoon, and we're going to start cracking on the transformers, trying to get that copper gold out of there that we all seem to love. So what I did is I set them all up. This isn't all of them, by the way, as everybody knows. It's only a few of them. We got a lot of them. We got like 70 something. And so what I did is I put the back part here. I got all these here as counterweights. And then I got these here up in front. All the wires are taken off, and I'm starting to cut the weld on each one of them. And then what I did is I'm going to go ahead and I took some of the base plates and I put them right here. You can see it. Let's go up a little higher. I got the base plate screwed in right here, so I have a hard surface. So when I go ahead and smash them, it won't, destroy the wood. So let's see how we do, and let's see if our little setup works. So this one here is cut. Oh yeah, this is gonna work beautifully, guys and gals. Here's our prepared steel, and there's the copper. So what I'll do now is I'll cut the other side right there and pop off the other side. Alright, let's try this side. I know, everybody worries about my hand. I know. I worry about it too. That was a nice clean cut. And now what we got now is, this is what we got left. I have a 4x4 jig that I made specifically for these guys. And then what I'll do is, whoa, camera's blowing away! Now what I'll do, guys, is I'll put this in the jig upside down like this, wedging the jig on the copper, and then just pound this steel right out, and I'll pound it out right into a milk crate. So that way we don't have to worry about it. So I think this is going to work great. It's going to work efficiently, and hopefully get them done so we can get this turned in and get a good payday. All right, scrappers and scrapettes, let's keep it clean. Let's leave it better than we found it. And happy Fun Day Sunday. Getting 2 thumbs up on this. Why? Because it's finally getting done. All right, guys. Thank you. Later.